Hello, students. Welcome back to the Excellent Mind Technology. Again, I'm here with the new video related to chemistry, grade 11, and chapter I'm starting atomic structure. So, you must be worried about what is atomic structure. From the name, it is clear that we are talking about the structure of an atom. Okay, so atom is, it is the very smallest particle which may or may not have independent existence. So earlier it was said that atom is the smallest particle and it cannot be further subdivided. Okay, but later on scientists did study on this and they found that atom have subatomic particles. Those are electron, proton and neutron. So first of all, J.J. Thomson did the study of on the finding the subatomic particles, and what he did, he took a glass tube which is called cathode ray tube, in which he put the gas which was passing through it, and at a very high pressure, nothing has happened. When he maintained the temperature pressure inside the tube, and tube was completely hollow from inside, means it is evacuated. Okay, so after evacuation, when he tried to pass the electric current through that, and the gas which was inside, from that it started deflecting towards positive electrode, because this cathode ray was fitted with the positive as well as negative electrode. So when he saw that some rays are moving towards positive electrode, so he was surprised that the gas which is passing through it is deflected towards positive, means it has some negative charge over it. So negative charge he later on studied and he discovered the electron. Electron, which is a negatively charged particle and always revolving around the nucleus inside an atom. So discovery of electron was done by J.J. Thomson by passing gas through it. So atom, you already know that is having electron, proton and neutron. You can see here in the image, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. The electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Next we will talk about protons and neutrons. You can see protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. So protons have positive charge, and that is discovered by an anode ray experiment. And this was cathode ray experiment, and which led to the discovery of electron. So J.J. Thomson discovered the electron, which is very important part of an atom, which is a subatomic particle of an atom. Okay, so this was the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson.